Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this authentic bole. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'll be using all these ingredients such as vegetable oil, ripe plantain, I have croaker fish, you can use any fish of your choice. I have onions, garlic and pepper. Next, I will be blending everything with the vegetable oil. Please don't use water because water is going to reduce the flavor from your fish. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. For my OG, thank you for stopping by always to watch my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Now I will cover this up to blend smoothly. And guys, this is one of the recipes I learned from Hilda Baci Culinary Academy class this year 2024. She taught us different types of recipes that was over 150 and a lot of prizes was also won. Whenever you hear of Hilda Baci next class, please jump on it. Don't hesitate to be part of it, okay? Because a lot of things was taught, how to plate, everything was taught. Thank you guys. Now I'll go ahead to pour this into a bowl and go ahead to add more seasoning into this. I will add curry. I will be adding basil. I will also add some parsley and then I will be adding some oregano spice. All these spices I'm adding right now, they are optional, and if you're not able to lay your hands on all of them, you can still go ahead to make your bole. Now I will be adding some minced dry pepper. This is not hot anyway. Then I will also be adding paprika pepper, and then I will add some salt. Make sure it's not too salty, and then I will finally add more vegetable oil, and then I will mix everything together to combine. Now that I'm done mixing everything, I will set this aside. Moving over to the fish, I will be seasoning this. By doing so, I will make some incision or shallow cut on it, and then I'll flip the other side and make some cuts on it as well, so that the spices can enter into the fish. Meanwhile, I've already cleaned up the fish. I've washed everything already. I removed everything that needs to be removed. This is how clean it is. The next thing I will be doing right now is to put some vegetable oil on the fish, and then I will be adding some Maggi cube. Remember, I didn't add any Maggi cube into the blended pepper. I will rub this on the fish very well, and then I will go ahead to add the blended spice. And when adding the spice, make sure you have to be generous with this in order for your fish to be well coated with the blended pepper. And I will go ahead to set this aside. Moving over to the ripe plantain, I will go ahead to add some vegetable oil and then rub everything well and go ahead to add the blended pepper as well. And also you have to be generous with this in order for everything to be well coated. Please, before you marinate your plantain, don't forget to peel it, wash it and make sure everything is well cleaned. Now I will go ahead to assemble everything on my grill pan. I will grill this for about 30 minutes or more. And if you have watched this video up to this moment and you like this recipe, please don't forget to share, like and leave your good comment in the comment section. Thank you. Let's continue our cooking. After some minutes, I brought this out from the oven to add more of those marinade into the fish and the plantain. and I will re-put it back again and continue to grill until everything is perfectly well cooked. After 30 minutes or more, this is what we have. Our bole and fish is ready. Guys, this was so yummy. And I went ahead to make some sauce alongside with it. So I went ahead to dish some into my plate. I almost forgot to video this part. I already started eating the grilled fish and plantain before I remember that I haven't videoed it because of how delicious and yummy the food was. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video and keep eating good food. Bye.